Hi, everybody. Uh-oh. James doesn't sound happy today.
Yeah, and I'm sick.
Oh, no. So what do you do when you're sick? You make a Minion video.
Yeah. Let's open this first.
Oh, look at this. This is Pop Movies Minion King Bob vinyl figure. And look, we have King Bob. Oh, he's so cute. And look, they make a bunch of other ones you can get. Bored Silly Kevin. Oh, Natural. King Bob, Crow Minion, I Matey, and Gone Batty. Very cute. Let's open it.
Don't forget the bottom.
What do you mean? You don't open the bottom of the box? Weirdo. Where's the bottom? Oh.
Here he is, King Bob.
Dun, 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 dun. How about we put King Bob back up there so he can watch us open the eggs?
How about let's open this egg?
Okay, we can open this egg if you want. Oh, who's this?
It's his name. I don't know his name.
You don't remember him?
No.
That's Stuart.
Oh, Stuart.
Stuart from the movie.
Stuart. Let's open this egg next.
Okay, okay. Ah, what do we got?
Bag.
Get your legs out of the video. It's a Minion Mega Block surprise bag.
James said it too.
I know. Trusty scissors.
James, that's Mommy's trusty scissors.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's build a Minion. Ooh. Oh, something just went flying. Right out of the bag. Oh, I guess we're building Stuart.
Whoa.
How funny is that?
Stewards.
Wow. Okay, here we go. There he is. Stuart. Ooh, Stuart and Stuart together playing guitars. Oh.
You knocked down the other Stuart.
I'm gonna turn him off so he doesn't keep making noise. Okay, next, please. Ooh, he went for the big one again. What do we got?
It's
Kevin!
Yes, Kevin!
Ooh, he just laughs at us, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Who's this one? It's Bob! And Bob is not working.
And maybe
Oh, no, there he goes.
Where's Bob?
Here?
Yeah. Didn't you tell me?
Hello! Okay.
Let's open this one. This one has another egg inside of it.
That has another egg inside? It's an egg inside an egg?
Oh. Yeah.
What is this?
It's another egg.
It's an egg. It's
What is that inside?
What is it?
Inside that egg.
It's an egg full of rainbow slime.
What?
It's like slimy. Ew, it's like gooey, goopy, squishy.
Now we
Ew,
have
it feels weird. It doesn't feel like our usual slime. This is like moldable slime. Isn't that cool?
Here we have rainbow slime now. Oh.
We have rainbow. Oh, Gravedigger wants to squish the slime? Squish, squish, squish. Yeah. Gravedigger, what are you doing in here? You're not a minion.
Yeah, he brought him over from it. Here.
What?
He brought him over from
Inside?
From here.
Okay.
Let's put that slime back in the egg.
You want to put it back in the egg?
Yeah. We put the slime back in the egg.
We'll put the slime back in the egg.
Yeah, and the slime's cool.
That is cool slime. All right, let's open something else.
Like this egg.
Ooh. Oh boy, you just knocked everybody over.
Whoa! It's so much candy.
Oh, it's all kinds of candy.
And look, a fart blaster candy.
Fart? Do you think it tastes like a fart?
No.
I hope not. Let's try it. Let's try it. You gonna try it? You gonna try the fart candy?
Yeah.
Yeah? You're brave, huh?
Yeah, I'm brave. It's a minion candy.
Minion candy.
I'm only brave when I'm sick.
You're only brave when you're sick. With finger. Oh, they look like little fart clouds. Little tiny fart clouds. They smell like chocolate, though. Would you like to try a fart candy?
Fart candy smells.
And it says on it. That's what it says. I have to taste. Cocoa-licious. That's good. Tastes like chocolate.
Yeah.
James, you okay? You choking on the fart candy? Let's see what this one is. Banana. Oh. You okay?
Oh, boy.
Oh, banana.
Banana candy.
Banana candy. Would you like a banana candy, James?
And there's
Would you like one, people at home? Yum, 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 yum.
people at home.
Do you need a drink, James? That says to Carl. So that was a gift to Carl. Those are good. Banana-y.
Yeah.
Banana-ish? What's the right word?
Banana-ish.
Banana-ish. Yeah, I think you're right. And this is Minion Dave. Let's see what's inside Minion Dave.
Wonder what's inside.
It's going to be more candy. Oh, more bananas.
Oh, more bananas.
Because what do they like? Bananas.
Yeah. Minions like bananas. And they hold fart blasters.
Bananas. Ooh. You want to see if these are different? You want to see if they taste like banana too? Here, take one. Would you like one of people at home? Yum, 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 yum.
Tastes the same.
Tastes the same? Yep, tastes the same. Okay.
Oh well, we tried.
It's good.
Good.
Uh-oh. James is stealing the trash. Good, James. If you're going to steal the trash, why don't you put it away? All right, buddy. What's next? This guy?
What's inside? There's something.
What's that?
Chocolate surprise egg.
It's a Minion chocolate surprise egg. Oh, how awesome. Yay. Wow, how'd you get to the candy first? Ooh, do you have like candy radar?
I'll eat this side.
Okay, James, you want that side?
I'll eat this side.
Okay, you can eat that side. And Mommy will open the egg to see what is inside. Another little magnet, because Mommy has one already. And I really like these because Mommy gets to keep them. So this is a little magnet, and it says, not impressed. He's not impressed with fire. The little caveman. Really cute. Okay, Mommy's going to steal that because Mommy likes the magnets. Okay.
Well, we're eating the chocolate.
You're eating the chocolate? Okay.
Mm.
All right, Mommy will open something while you're eating chocolate. I'm going to open this Minion. Did you know he opens?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool? Oh, we found some Minion tops.
Oh.
So while they're eating their chocolate, Mommy will spin the tops. Round and round and round. Whee! Whee! Ooh. That one was good. I'm going to try doing it back here. Ooh. Whoa, they're fighting over in the corner. Yeah. Spins. You done? Oh, you're opening another one? You gotta take his coolie off. Oh! Uh-oh!
It's something we have to put together.
It's a Minion eraser puzzle. Okay, let me see if I remember how this goes because... Stop. There's no directions on these. they go to the store to buy the little girl a new toy, and they dress up. They dress up like people. And his hat doesn't want to stay on very good. So there he is. Without his tie. I broke the tie. I'm so upset. I'll have to fix it. But there he is. There's a little minion with his mustache and his hat. I know, I broke it. We'll just I'll glue it or something.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll leave him right there. And
Let's open it.
what are you going to open next? You want to see what's in the bucket? Bring the bucket. Oh, what is this? What's this?
It looked like a fart blaster, but it's actually a voice.
It does look like a fart blaster. What does it do? Oh.
Hello.
Oh. Let me see. Let's try. I like this one. Or what about this one? Wait. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up.
Let's open this box.
Let's open. What's this box? Minions sour gummies with Bob, Kevin, and Stuart. More candy. Just what you didn't need. Oh, they just look like lumps of goop.
Yeah, they look like minions.
They don't look like minions. They just look like blobs. Would you like a yellow blob or a blue blob? Yellow blob? A blue blob? Here's a blue blob. You get a blue blob. Mommy will take a blue blob. A blue blob.
They're sour.
They are sour. We'll throw them right over here.
I hate them.
You hate them? Oh, God, we don't need it anymore. All right. Let's see. Ooh, this one's rolling away. What else are you going to open? Oh. M&M's. Why do we have M&M's? He's not a minion. What is it? Why do we have a bear? Because Bob carries around a bear in the Minion movie.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's not. It's more bananas. It's more bananas. Banana. Ooh.
More banana candy.
Okay, what else? What else do we have here? Oh.
And it tastes the same.
Sorry, Bob. And little Stuart. Come on, get another one. Get another one, get another one. This one? It's Minion Slinky. Oh! That sounded chunky.
That's because I'm sick.
I know you're sick. Nobody could see that. You gotta do it all over here. It's a spring. You broke. What's that? Whoa!
Another surprise bag.
A surprise bag! Ooh! With kissy faces. See, he's got kissy face. It's a Mega Bloks surprise bagging. What is Mommy gonna use?
Trusty scissors.
A trusty scissors.
Right, people at home?
Yep. Oh, we had him once before.
Yeah, we have him again.
Oh, somebody's laughing at us.
It was the same guy.
Who? Which one?
Kevin.
Kevin was laughing?
Yeah, Kevin was laughing at us again.
Oh, boy.
That was Kevin.
Okay. Oh, look. There we go. Oh, now he's talking. Before he didn't want to talk. Now he's talking. There we go. Now we have...
Let's open this thing. Let's open this.
Oh, it's a Chinese food container. What's in there?
Minions!
A minion! How did I know there'd be a minion in there?
That isn't real. The boats aren't real.
Shh.
Here's Twinkie.
How come this one ain't working?
Hang him on the floor.
I think he killed his battery. Oh, there he goes. Ha! That's all he makes a noise. I'll do this one again. Another Chinese food container. Ah! And it's another minion. Now this is the one when they go through the snow. Oh! Oh. Banana!
Let's open this one.
That's an awesome one. Oh!
Look, we fell out.
Wait, you didn't do it over here, so nobody saw you open the one that says... egg!
And it's another surprise bag in it.
It's another Minion Surprise bag. Oh, awesome. Lots of Minion Surprise. And this one has just figures. We don't have to put this one together, I don't think.
Yeah, this is just Minion figures.
I think
we
so.
have to put on a circle.
Oh. Oh, look. It's a little caveman.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. What's that? It's a caveman. What are you doing?
You know what we have over there?
Oh, you're right. There was something in there. It's the stand to put him on. So he just stays up. Here we go. So that he stays up better. Okay, there we go. There he goes. All right, pick another one. How about one of those big ones over there?
There's one with the tissue in it.
Well, it's got a tissue so we can't see. It is the vampire minion. Oh, he bananas too, huh? Wow, they're all laughing and banana-ing and they're all talking. Why did you move that? Leave that there. Just leave it. Okay.
Let's open this one.
Oh! Two more.
And it's the caveman.
It's the caveman.
And know what we have for him? A dinosaur.
What? A dinosaur.
A dinosaur. Dinosaur.
Uh-oh. You better run, little minion. Uh-oh. You think he's scary? I don't think he's scary. Ah! Uh-oh.
Let's put him back.
Let's put him back.
Yeah,
Okay, we put him back. He's not scary.
Let's put him back on a pillow.
We put him back away. We'll go put him away and turn him off. Okay.
You know what he tops to?
Come on, pick something else. Oh, Peter!
I'll go get it. What?
What is that? All right, stop.
What is that?
Stop. So this was a bouncy ball, and Peter opened it. And this is a Stewart bouncy ball.
Where did it go?
It bounced away because you weren't paying attention, and you grabbed it with one hand, and you let it fly.
Oh! Doing it again. Oh, is that?
Well, that's what it does. It's singing. And
Well,
this
nobody-
is a Kevin bouncy ball. Ooh. Okay.
Is this mouse slime?
No, they're just bouncy balls. What are you
Wow.
talking about, marsh slime, you weirdo?
They're really cool.
What's marsh slime?
I don't know.
Something you made up?
Isn't that big egg?
Oh, what is it?
Banana.
A banana!
A big banana.
And something else. A kazoo. Do you know how to use a kazoo?
Can you do it? No.
That's it. Get over here and do it.
That's how we use a kazoo.
Yeah. You like it? Here? He's making lots of noise. Oh, you could do happy birthday.
Let's eat this banana.
You want to eat the banana? I thought it was funny.
Let's open it.
It's a real banana. Yum. You want the banana? Okay, you can see. Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, got some stuff. You want some? Okay, I'm going to break the banana and give you a piece, and James is going to take the rest.
No, I want to take a piece.
Oh, you just want a piece? Yeah, take a piece. Piece of banana. Okay. Oh, throw that out. We don't eat. We don't step on bananas on the floor either. You little stinker. Okay, come on. What's next? Okay, no. We're not talking with food in our mouth. And we're gonna leave the kazoo right over there. Mommy's gonna go. Mommy's gonna take the stuff out of this bucket. We have two nice little plushy minions. Stuart and Bob. Is that Bob?
Yeah.
Stuart and Bob. He's right. Cute little.
And Bob.
Stuart and Bob. He's cute.
And Bob.
All right, ready? We have two left.
Stuart and
Oh no, we have four left. We have two little ones too. You didn't get to. Oh! Minion Tic Tacs. Yay! Would you like? Now, these are really cool because what they did was they printed on every one of them a little minion. So let's see if you can focus. Hold on. So you can see the Minion Tic Tac.
I'm eating one.
You're eating one? A minion? Which minion did you eat?
I don't know.
Look, this one only has one eyeball, so that's got to be like Stuart, right?
Give me Stuart back.
You want Stuart? Here, eat Stuart. I'm gonna eat Kevin and what's the other guy's name? Bob. Okay. But these are awesome. But you know what? They're not banana flavored. They're like fruity flavored. Oh!
And it fell on right on these.
No, don't do that.
Now just the kazoo.
I know.
The kazoo.
This is a soda can of fizzy lemon candy. Let's see how to open it. Just what we needed, more candy. Hold on.
This slime's really cool.
Slime is really cool. Oh, here we go. Let's open. Ow.
How do we get that can open?
Oh, no, it's not. There it goes. Oh, okay. How is it? How is it? Is it fizzy? Oh, your brother's spitting it out. Is it good? Is it yucky?
Yeah.
It's disgusting.
Yeah,
That's disgusting.
That's it. This is how evil tastes like.
Oh, that was funny. Oh no, it's a little light up ring.
Good night. Good night.
You want to wear it?
Yeah, I'll wear it. Little right up.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's like when Bob is king and he has lots of jewels. It's very cute. Okay.
It's Bob. Yeah, King Bob.
King Bob.
King Bob.
Okay, last one.
King Bob.
Oh, wait, is that the last one now?
That.
I feel like we're missing one.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, it's a karate minion. Oh, and a English guard. Woohoo! Oh, wow. Let me see. Wait, I thought there was another eraser pencil one. Oh! It should be in. We've missed him. Oh. I knew there was one more. See? Another minion to put together. There we go. A little eraser minion that puzzles. Okay. Did we miss? Crazy. screaming. Okay, did we miss any that open up? I don't think so. I think we got every. Ew, ew, ew! You're spitting all over me. Yuck. Okay, what was your favorite thing, Peter?
The kazoo.
The kazoo. I knew that. James, what was your favorite thing?
Grave digger.
What? Grave digger? Grave digger? We didn't get grave digger out of a egg, you crazy? Not until everyone stops talking. That's rude. There's grave digger. All right, ready, grave digger? Okay, Mommy's favorite thing. Mommy's favorite thing is the sound changer. And because I'm going to play this late at night when Peter's sleeping and wake him up.
And listen to this, cause
Oh, I know what your favorite thing is, Peter. Your favorite thing was the fizzy candy.
No.
Oh, that was just terrible. That
No.
candy was awful. You didn't like the squishy goop?
I did like that too.
The squishy goop? Who's this? Look what James brings me. Who's this? Who's Crusader? Crusader. All right, everybody. Peter, what do you want to tell everybody?
Like the videos and subscribe.
Yeah, and what do we have to? They have to give us a thumbs up.
Yeah.
Thumbs up if you like this video.
Thumbs up.
If you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. And if you like Minions, you definitely should like this video because there's a lot of cool Minions in it.
Yeah,
And a lot of
you
cool.
should give us you should give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down.
Okay, Mommy's favorite thing is again the magnet because she gets to keep it. Yay! All right, guys.
Like the videos and subscribe.
Who's gonna clean up the mess?
No.
You playing music. Who's cleaning the mess?
You.
Me. Look at look at this. Look at the mess. Look at the mess they leave me every time. I have to clean this with a big stinky rotten banana. Ah! All right, guys, you're mean to me. Oh boy, I'm gonna have to find a way to get that away from you.
It sounds like Buzz Buzz the Bee.
It sounds like Buzz Buzz the Bee? Oh, heaven help me. It's going to be a long day.